So this is what happens when the spot you were going to go to has been closed to camping because it's been overused for the last couple of years. Because somebody put it on the internet and then it got overused. So we got there before it was fully dark, but we didn't know we were going to be able to camp there. So now we're having an adventure trying to find a place to camp in the dark, and this is what happens. I can't count how many times I've been doing this kind of thing. You would totally not be bringing the trailer up here. Looks like there's a gate up here. Think. Okay, so that was a good night of sleep. Worked well. Great place we found. Nice and cool. Pitch black dark. Nice and quiet. We're going to go head on and find somewhere else to make coffee, though, because the mosquitoes are out in force this morning. Surprisingly, there were no mosquitoes when we arrived last night, but they came out this morning. So we're going to find somewhere else to make coffee and stuff because we're not planning on staying here. This was just an overnight spot. Got some other places we want to explore today. I was up early and got some photos and a little drone footage around the area to give you an idea of where we actually were at. But it's pretty remote out here, which is nice. And the road is definitely a little rough. We could never have gotten the trailer up here or the Prius or a lot of other vehicles. But the van has good high ground clearance and does pretty well off-road, so we were able to get it up this trail. All right, so we're walking up this trail in the woods in the Bighorn National Forest. There's a sign that says there's a chapel up here. I think St. Christopher's Chapel, if my memory's right, but this is a chapel. So I have no idea what we're going to find. We don't know if this is like a legit building chapel or if it's like a geological feature that we've both seen that kind of naming convention before. So we're going to stroll up here and see what we can find. So as we're hiking up here, we're up over 9,000 feet here, and there's still snow in this forest.
I was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieve. How precious did that grace appear the hour I'd first believed. His grace has brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. And when we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining